Okay, hi, Dr. Buford here. I wanted to have a chat with one of our patients because he's got a lot to talk about. He's a veteran and he's someone who we did a subpectoral biceps tenodesis for some chronic biceps tendinopathy that we couldn't get better without surgery. And that surgery through that little incision in the armpit was 8 years ago. So I wanted to hear in his words how he's doing. Let's start with what you were able to do after the surgery.
Yes, sir. Yeah, after the surgery, of course, it took a little while the healing period, but soon after that, I had full range of motion in my shoulder. It had no problems.
And were you able to go back to active duty?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I did another combat tour in 2019, 2020.
And how's your motion now? 8 years later, are you still holding up?
Perfect. Yes, sir. Yeah, both arms. I can't even, like I said, I can't even remember what shoulder it was.
I can tell you it was the left.
Left. Okay. Yeah, left.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, great.
Perfect.
And you were able to use all the gear, wear all the gear, do all the things you had to do.
Yes, sir. No problems at all.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks for sharing your story.
Yes, sir.
Okay.